Hey guys, what's up? It's Keith Kelfis. In this video, I want to show you my website and what I'm working on. Really excited about this spring coming up, landscaping and window cleaning, and talk about how we're automating the sales and marketing in the service business. So I have some virtual assistants and a secretary and different software automations that I'll be sharing with you in this video that's really helping a lot. And I've always struggled with the word systems. You got to build a system. Like, I didn't even know what that meant. What is a system? But now it makes sense to me. It's just a way of doing things, like a standard operating order procedure. And so here's what I use to build my websites out. I mean, you could build a cheap site on GoDaddy or whatever, but there's all different types, Wix and Squarespace. I use something called Kajabi. I'll put a link below for Kajabi if you want to check it out. But I mean, it's at least $1,000 to get started on the Kajabi platform. But I built all this myself, and it's extremely mobile optimized. I mean, it even looks better on mobile. But what I'm doing on the website is this is all coming from my Google business page. So we have pretty much the most amount of positive reviews around here. So the customers usually come from Google, amongst other places, and they come to the website or they call, and we have a contact form. And so for the landscaping and tree trimming here, this all looks really good on mobile. We got all the positive reviews plugged in here. There's one issue. I have to get the script code and get the actual reviews running on the website, because these are just screenshots, and that's bad. So it means it's just dead pictures, and it's not good for search engine optimization. So this is up here temporarily until I go in there and I put the actual plugin for the real reviews. I just have to find a workaround so the customer sees the actual plugin from Google. That's how you really boost search engine optimization and backlinks. And blog post articles as well. Here's videos coming from YouTube being plugged into the site, which is also important. You should have a YouTube channel for your service business, which I do separate from this YouTube channel. And then here's all the backlinks from. This will take you to my Google Maps, my Yelp, Angie's List, Facebook. For example, here, see, it routes them right over to my Google Maps, and each one of these is clicked, linked up, backlinks to authority sites. Now, down here, take me back to the previous. Oh yeah, down here is all the social media platforms and everything you could possibly need, all backlinked up through the site. Does that make sense? 1 second, I'm making a video. We have another family event. 28 family events last year we went to. Constant family events. I'm just gonna make this video real quick. My wife's take a shower. Okay, so that's the landscaping. Now here, what service are you looking for if they come to my main site? You don't have to do it. I do. I'm experimenting here. But so we're integrating with now Responsibid, Kurt Kempton's Responsibid for the window cleaning business. And I'm trying to find a way to integrate it for the landscaping as well, so we don't ever have to go visit a property ever again unless it's something that's out of the norm. And we can quote windows directly from Google Earth. And now you see this give me a bid. So this integrates with Responsibid, which I'm building out right now. The customer can actually go in and pick what service they want. Look at this. How did you hear about us? Number of floors? Does it have a walkout basement? They can go through the whole process, and then videos of me will pop up selling them window cleaning, and then they can schedule. They can get the price and everything right there from the website, completely automated. And then I'm integrating Responsibid with House Call Pro, which is dope. So then the customer can, we could book them on the calendar, and then I call them up. It sends them automated text message and emails. Kelf's window cleaning is on the way. Your window cleaning is booked for tomorrow at this time. And then integrating that with Send Jim to send customers gourmet brownies and postcard follow-ups after we leave, and asking them for positive 5-star reviews. And then I'm thinking about integrating that with nicejob.com to get just a crap load of positive 5-star reviews. Like my buddy Bobby Walker, if you saw the video on the Window Cleaning Blueprint YouTube channel, he has 238 positive 5-star reviews. So, and that's from nicejob.com. I'll put the links in the description below for all that stuff. So here's our window cleaning commercial.
When's the last time you had your windows cleaned? Clean, shiny windows with sparkling sills and tracks make the clear difference in the appearance of your home. At Kelfus Professional Services, we take window cleaning to an entirely new level.
Okay, please don't call my phone number. A lot of people call me from YouTube, and it's overwhelming. And I want to talk to everybody, but I literally just can't. So that's why I make videos, man. I love making these videos. But anyway, so they could pick the size of their home and get package deals. Now we're raising the prices again and getting into upsells. Here's positive testimonials from my clients. All types of positive reviews for window cleaning, which is separate from the landscaping. And then more calls to action. The more they scroll down with their phone or their iPhone, is the more they can learn about the business. And then the whole point is to, get their name and email address so we can start marketing to them and sending them videos. Like here. That's a silly beat.
Heather Heights in Michigan. Cleaning windows right now for a customer.
So I ask customers, how did you find us? Some customers actually find us through YouTube, all different lead sources, right? But scrolling down on the site, there's too many colors going on here. You're not on the video. So there's too many colors going on here. That's not good.
Are you sure?
I'm positive you're not on the video. I'm pointing it at the screen, Ashley. I can see you. So, I wanted to start blending pink in for feminine colors for women that call for window cleaning, but now I'm learning psychologically that women just respond actually more to blue. So I'll probably switch that around and have the same colors, but this is a work in progress. And then here's like blog post articles. Here's our blog. You can actually hire blog post articles. Like I'm hiring a new virtual assistant right now because the last one from the Philippines wrote everything in a Philippine dialect. Even though she was very smart and good at it, it just wasn't right. So here's a blog post article. The top 5 reasons use Kelfus window cleaning. And even this here is kind of shoddy. It's not really. I don't know. Everything's got to be really, really, really what a customer would actually read. So the next one we're hiring is a blog post article writer who's experienced in writing for service businesses exclusively. I mean, that's what they're good at. So everything they're saying is legit and not like just some made up crap. And then as far as writing them myself, you can write blog post articles yourself, and I've done that. It takes a long time. So that's about that for that. Like again, I said I use a Kajabi here. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to check out Kajabi. It is expensive, but it looks really, really good. And then, like I said, we're integrating with Responsibid and House Call Pro to automate everything. I've got sales and marketing scripts that the secretary, she knows exactly what to say to the customers and what questions to ask them and to document the entire conversation so that everything gets integrated into our CRM and put into QuickBooks, and so everything is organized so we can find out more data about the customers. This has to be a data-driven business now. This is like my 7th year doing this, and for some reason, I think when you're really, really, really busy, caught up doing the physical work, you're too tired to get more into this stuff. But then when you realize not only how much money you're leaving on the table, but how much energy you're wasting, the fulcrum starts to shift. And then you start to get upset and now you get excited though, because you realize that, oh my God, I could just drill deeper into my existing customer base and create a referral engine and create scripts and protocols and present yourself as a really professional business, and now you can get higher prices. So theoretically, you could do a little bit less work and make more money. You can work in tighter geographic areas. So that means you could have more route density. You don't have to travel far, and if you do, you're getting paid for it. So you start getting clear and creating structure inside of your business. So when you flow through and go work your butt off, you're doing it with some structure, and therefore you have more predictability. And so there's a lot more than just this, but I'm just showing you kind of the website thing and what my thoughts are. So let me know your thoughts in the description below, my friend. And I am going to a family event, and thank you so much for spending this time with me. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you want, and I will see you in the next video.